Hi students, are you struggling to remember the spectrochemical series and figure out which ligand is strong and which ligand is weak? In this video, I will be teaching a super cool trick that make it easy and fun. All of you know what is spectrochemical series, right? It is the arrangement of ligands in the increasing order of the strength of the ligands, right? This is the list and this is the trick. Okay. Let us have a look through the list. Okay, starting from iodine and ending in carbonyl group, you can see, right? Now go through the trick. I brought scanned colorful sheet for oxidizing cocoa water. Necessary education, nourish English cartoon company. See, read this sentence 2 or 3 times. I brought scanned colorful sheet for oxidizing cocoa water. Necessary education, nourish English cartoon company. I brought scanned colorful sheet for oxidizing cocoa water, necessary education, nourish English cartoon company. Now how it is connected with the list. Okay, let us have a look. See, you can see iodine, you can see bromine, you can see SCN, thiocyanate, you can see Cl, you can see sulfur, fluorine, hydroxide, C2O4, you can see C2O4. Then you can see water. Then NCS, you can see EBTA. See, the order is little bit different, but anyhow, EBTA you can see NH3, you can see EN, you can see CN, and you can see CO. Okay, see, you have to by heart this sentence. I brought scanned colorful sheet for oxidizing cocoa water, necessary education, nourish English cartoon company. Okay, so then you can easily study the spectrochemical series. Water is the middleman here. Okay, all the ligands after water is strong ligand and all the ligand before water is weak ligand. Now, what about water? Water can act as both strong and weak ligand. Okay, we can talk about that. Normally, water is considered as a weak ligand. Okay, but in the case of metal ion having an oxidation state of +3 or higher than +3, for example, for Fe2 plus, water acts as a weak ligand. For Ni2 plus, water acts as a weak ligand. But for Fe3 plus, for Fe4 plus, for Ni3 plus, Ni4 plus, water acts as a strong ligand. Okay, similarly, if the central metal is from 4D or 5D series, then again water acts as a strong ligand. Hope you understand, and that is very important point. Hope this trick helps you, dear students. Keep learning and shining. Thank you all.